Hey y'all! So I literally just finished one video and now I'm just going to do the intro to this video. So this video is a Dollar Tree walkthrough, which I have not done in a long time. But A, I don't need any more stuff for my craft room. And B, I could not believe the amazing stuff that they had at a regular Dollar Tree and a Dollar Tree Plus. So if you are not into Christmas yet, this is probably not your video. Like, I could do Christmas all year long. Like, if it wasn't 5,000 degrees in Arizona, I would probably just do Christmas all year round. So I absolutely love everything about it. But in this walkthrough, I do want to point out a couple of things. One, at the Dollar Tree Plus, they have the blow up things for your front yard for $5. They had snowmen, they had gnomes, guys. You'll see this all in the video. They had Christmas trees and they had Santa. $5. Let's be honest. Walmart sells them for like $30. So anyways, you'll see those in there. You're going to see some new stickers. Not very much, though. I didn't find a whole lot of new stickers. I'm trying to think of what else you will find in there. New foods that I have not seen before. Yeah, new food. And what else? I can't remember all of what's else in there, but please stay tuned for it because I am so excited. Like, if you have a Dollar Tree Plus, and it's regular Dollar Tree items too, so please don't think. So they have like these Christmas trees out right now. Not the regular. They're like the, what are those called? When they, like the flocked Christmas trees, and all these different colors that are like sectioned off. They're beautiful. They have like flocked the circle ball ornaments. Those are all at the Dollar Tree. I mean, they are gorgeous, and the colors they have are absolutely beautiful. So anyways, please watch this video, see what you like. I mean, it's amazing. Like, I haven't bought a whole lot. That's why I did the walkthrough instead of just jumping and buying everything. So yes, that is what is in this video for you today. So I hope that you are all having an amazing day, and I hope that you all enjoy this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so we've all seen the little trees, right? Now they have the little ornament balls. This is a blue one. They have the red. Oh, they're big too. They're so cute. Pink, which is my favorite. And I thought there was another one. There's just blue, pink, and red. And then I'm not sure. Okay, it won't let go. But look at these. Like, they're like twisted. What is it called? It just says Christmas tree. But they're like twisted ones. I haven't seen these ones. And then, I'm not sure if that's a Charlie Brown. That's funny. What is that? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's see what other ones. I think you all have seen these ones. Look at this one, guys. The pink with the ornaments. The blue and the white ombre. Blue with this on it decorated. There's so many. This one with the flocking, but look how it's 3 different levels. The white with the flocking, and then the white and pink ombre. Can we talk about how beautiful these little clips are? Like, I don't have anything to do with them, so I wouldn't get them, but they're so pretty. They're beautiful. Okay, here are some cute stickers. So cute. They're like puffy ones. Then we're gonna get up and walk over here, because first, look at this cactus. Is that not the cutest little wood cactus? And then this is another one they have. I mean, in my opinion, it's not worth $1, but I'm sure somebody could do something with this cute castle. And then they have like these 3D dogs and stuff now. Look at them. So where are the rest? Here's a monkey. Is that not the cutest? Here is like a sun. And let me turn it to the side so you can't even see. So there's that one. And then of course they have a butterfly. And then y'all, look at this. This butterfly is beautiful. Oh, butterfly, oh my gosh, Amy. It's a unicorn. Oh my gosh. And actually I don't know what these are. I just saw them, so I just want to see. Oh my gosh. Let me back up. These are little smiley face wood cutouts. Are they all the same? Let's see. Yes, they are all the same. How cute are those? Can I zoom out? Yeah, good. Look at these cute vases. They're like little flower vases. They are so pretty, and they are a good size. They have the gray, the black, and the blue. And here's the white over here hiding. How cute! And then I just wanted to swing down here and show you how beautiful those are. I love those colors. They have a pom-pom tassel kit now. That is the cutest thing. I love it. The Dare to Dream board. Look at this career one. So here's this. I think it's a chef. I'm not sure what this one is. A construction worker. How cute are they? Let's see what else we can find over here. I think these are all new. Here's old. Here's a bracelet bead kit. Okay, I almost walked by these, but these are the squishy toys. It's like a pink chameleon. Look at the unicorn. They're so beautiful too. Look at this one. How pretty is that one? Then we have this thing. I don't know what that is. What else is down here? Let's see. What is this? Is this a cat? I don't know what that is. No, that's the same. Oh, and then there's this one. Aren't they all so cute though? OMG. I've never seen this stuff at the Dollar Tree. This is a 3-piece cake decorating kit. We have the cake spatulas, icing cone set, 12 disposable icing bags. Oh wait, this is different. This is the cake spatula, so that's different at the bottom though. If you see this one, here are all of these tips. Here are these I've seen before. And I've seen the rainbow sprinkles, but look at this. These are blue sugar crystals, green sugar crystals, yellow sugar crystals, and red. Okay, so I know that we are saying it's too early for Christmas, but can we please talk about these inflatables? Here's a tree. Hold on, I have to put my stuff down. There's too much for me to show you. Hold on one second. Oh my gosh. So they are $5. They're 21 inch by 13 inches. But guys, can we talk about this gnome inflatable? Again, these are $5 because this is a Dollar Tree Plus. But look at these. Oh, they're usually so expensive. They're way more than $5. And then when we move over here, metal bobblehead gnome. Okay, so I don't know, I guess, how it bobbles. I'm not sure, but it's $3. It's so cute. And then they have these mailboxes. These are $5, but they have this sticking out the front. I think this is going in my cart. It's beautiful. So that was $5. This one does not have a price tag, but it's so cute. Okay, this says Merry and Bright, and then it spins and says Believe. I was looking to see, but it is upside down this way, so it wouldn't be like a two-sided sign. But that's only $3, and it's like a metal. It's a nice one. Let's see what else we can get into down here. There's a pre-lit garland for $5. How long is it? 12 feet? That's really good. Oh my goodness. They have the welcome signs out. It can't be more than $5, so let's see how much it is. Oh no, I have to get the Let It Snow. These are $5. Yes, I have to get some. So anyways, guys. And then this Joy, it says lights up. I don't know where you push it at on the back, but Joy. Here's the snowman. I know you guys aren't ready for Christmas, but guys, I gotta tell you, there's some deals here. So if you watched one of my other Dollar Tree hauls, you're gonna notice that is the same one I paid $1 for. Okay, let's look at this. We have Otto the octopus, Cecile the crab. What is this? Skylar. Here is the blue camper, the back camper, and the little red truck. And I cannot wait to show you my plans for this little red truck. OMG. They have the hats here with the ponytail holes in the top. They have it in black, this off-white color, and this gray. I love that. Look at the Halloween ribbon they have. So it's all 9 feet, and there's Boo, Halloween, and the sugar skulls. So cute. OMG, again, like I can't even with what they have this year. This is huge, and this is an ice skate with like a 3D. Oh my gosh, they're killing it. Let's see if there's anything over here I'm looking for. Let's see. No, but there's Christmas stuff down there too. If you all are like me, these have been my favorite since I was little, in the little metal containers. They're 4.0 ounces. Guys, they're always way more than this in a store. I found it, y'all. It is, oh, they have more of the Betty Crocker pancake mix too, sitting over here. What is that? 28 ounces. But I found the strawberry syrup, yes. And again, this store has all the little sprinkles, but they do not have the big shelf of all the brand new baking items. Okay, y'all, I've never seen couscous. The Dollar Tree. It is 10 ounces for Near East Original. And it says what is fast, cooks in 5 minutes. And these ones totally made me think of Amy with, what is Bella's Bargains? BT rice and toasty whole grain. No, thank you. 2 servings. 9.9 ounces. And then this one, and they're microwavable, right? Yeah. 2 minutes in the microwave. And this one is the rice and healthy. Wait, what is that? So this is rice and healthy. Oh, because this one is just whole grain, and this one is whole grain and quinoa by BT, non-GMO. No, thank you.